myself. My name is Glenda Rogers. I am presenting a request for an IT technical review board. In my PowerPoint presentation, I will be handing out a copy of my proposal. In my proposal is my telephone number and an email address so that anyone that has questions after the presentation, they are welcome to get in touch with me. Again, my proposal is in request to an IT technical review board. This is a cross-functional team that will provide technical feedback in regards to software and hardware requests. These requests will impact the infrastructure and desktop teams. Our primary stakeholders, they are infrastructure team. The infrastructure team includes our network, our Windows, our Unix, our database architecture, and our Oracle teams. In addition to that, it will also affect the level 2 application support teams, which is inclusive of our desktop support. Most importantly, it will affect our end users, which are our internal clients. Now, our current situation. Projects are defined by a stage gate process. The stage gate process is designed by the Architectural Review Board. Issues that are defined as a project will meet certain requirements, and then they will be sent to our project management organization, and then everything will be funneled that way. Now, it's important to know that not all items are stage gated. That means that not all items meet the requirements that the ARB sets up. Those items are maintenance and upgrade items. They do not require more than 15 man-hours or cost more than $50,000. Now, if items are found to meet those standards after they have gone through an accidental process, then they will be sent to the project team. It's important to know that without a formal process, it creates communication barriers. It's important to remember that specs are missed. It can increase our cost, and most importantly, it delays our customers' requests. Without a review board, software requests can be last minute. This can slow down upgrades and maintenance items. An example of that is a Red Hat license issue that we had. A request was put in through Remedyforce to have a server built. Our Unix team grabbed the ticket, began to build the server, and realized that we would need a license on this server. The cost for each of those licenses is $700. We have approximately 700 servers that will potentially need the same license. Our infrastructure team did a little bit of research, and they found a hosting option that would cost $3,000. An extreme difference between much more than $3,000. Another reason why a review board would be beneficial, it would eliminate duplication of efforts. An example of this is when List Manager Cloud was rolled out. It's important to know that Catalina's standard browser is Internet Explorer, but List Manager Cloud only runs on Google Chrome. When the product was rolled out, our desktop team had to scramble to get everybody working that had this product rolled out. It was important. Our customers should have known that before rolling it out. It slowed down their product, and they were not able to deliver as they had promised. Another reason a review board is important, it will cut down on the duplication of products. An example of this is Stash. It is a software repository tool. What's important to know is that Catalina already has 3 other software repositories. This cost was $10,000. The request went all the way up to the CTO, who asked, why would we need to purchase a 4th software repository? Another reason a review board would be beneficial. it would help us not increase our cost. An example of this is a purchase was made last year, $100,000 worth of equipment for a product called LogLogic. The product was brought in-house, but it was quickly realized that it does not fit our current architecture. The team that requested the products did not check with our infrastructure teams to see what else would be needed. What's also important to know that it has been here on site for a year and has not yet been implemented. And a final reason why a review board would be beneficial. It would help cut back on compliance issues. An example of that, again, is the Red Hat licenses. The team that put the Remedy Force ticket in did not realize that they were going to need software. If we would have rolled the server out, we would have ran into compliance issues because we did not do our due diligence in finding that this would need software also. Therefore, at some time later could require us to get audited. As a reminder, this cross-functional team will assist our key stakeholders in prioritizing their work. It will provide better customer service to our end users. It will prevent duplication of efforts and environments. And most importantly, it will promote discussion around technical issues. I was able to interview several key stakeholders, and all of us agree that the IT Technical Review Board is definitely a must for our team. I'd like to thank everybody for coming, and please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.